Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In this video, we'll try to do the integral of those three functions. So that would help you in your final exam, hopefully. So let's start with the first function, which is integral of sine to the power of 5x cosine to the power square x dx. If I look to my trigonometric identities, I don't have anything to the power of an odd number. All what I have is cosine square, sine square, everything square or to the power of 1. So this sine to the power of 5 is bothering me. So let's make it to the power of like something even or to the power of 1. So I can rewrite it as sine square x square cosine square x. So this will give me sine to the power of 4x. So I'm still missing times sine x dx. So this I came back to my previous function. Now, if I take my u equal, before doing that, I know the sine square of x. I know that there is a trigonometric identity, sine square of x plus cosine square of x equal to 1. So sine square of x is equal 1 minus cosine square of x. So let's replace sine square of x by 1 minus cosine square of x. 1 minus cosine square of x square times cosine square of x times sine x dx. Perfect. I see that I have cosine and I have sine. So if I take my u is equal to my cosine x, my du become minus sine x dx. So this sine x dx, I can replace it by minus du and all the cosine x by u. So because I want to replace minus sine x dx by minus du, so let's put the minus outside my integral and it become 1 minus u square to the power of 2 times u square du. And that's very easy to solve now. So this is the minus here, yeah? So it is equal minus 1 minus u square is a minus b square. It's a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is 1, which is a square, minus 2 times a, which is 2 times 1, times b, which is u square, plus u to the power of 4. And all that multiplied by u to the power of 2 du. So now let's multiply u by everything inside the parentheses. So this is equal minus, and my integral u2 times 1 is u squared minus 2 u to the power of 4 plus u to the power of 6, all that du. And this is very easy now. So I put minus and I open big parentheses, u squared du minus 2 u to the power of 4 du plus u to the power of 6 du. And I close my parentheses. This is equal minus u to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus 2 u to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus u to the power of 7 divided by 7 plus c. So now I put back u to its value. We said we took u is equal to cosine, we took u equal to cosine of x. So let's replace u by cosine of x. So it becomes minus cosine to the power of 3x divided by 3 minus 2 cosine to the power of 5x divided by 5 plus cosine to the power of 7 divided by 7 plus c. And that's the solution. As you see, it's very easy. Once you know, the important thing is to know that I don't want to see to the power anything but 2 and 1, to the power of 2 or to the power of 1. this, because all my trigonometric identity is either to the power of 2 and to the power of 1. Let's do the second function. So the second one is sine is to the power of 3x divided by cosine x. So my second function is integral of sine to the power of 3x divided by cosine x dx. Again, same logic. I don't want to c to the power of 3, so this I can write it as integral of sine to the power of 2x times sine x divided by cosine x dx. And again here, sine square of x, I can write it as integral of 1 minus cosine square of x times sine of x dx divided by cosine of x. And as you guessed, if I take my u is equal cosine of x, my du is equal minus sine of x dx. So this will become minus du and this will become u. So, and the minus I'll put it outside, it become 1 minus u square times du divided by u. So it is equal minus 1 over u du plus, because minus times plus is minus, minus times minus is plus, u du, because u squared divided by u is u. And then this become minus ln of u plus u squared divided by 2 plus c, and then I replace u by its value, it become ln of cosine of x plus cosine square of x divided by u2 plus c. You see, now it become very easy. And let's do the last one. It's cotangent to the power 5 of x cosec to the power of 3. So the last one is cotangent to the power 5 of x cosec to the power of 3 of x dx, and it's an integration. So for this one, again, I don't like to the power of an odd number. Let's make it to the power of an even number. So I can write it integral of cotangent to the power of 4x, but I still owe a cotangent. And the cosecant, cosec, that's an x, cosec to the power of 2x. And now I have to multiply by cosec x, so I have the cosec x taken care of, but I still missing cotangent x dx. So here it is cotangent 5 of x sec to the power of 3 of x. But I know that cotangent square of x is equal cosec of x minus 1. So this I can write it cotangent, this way it's easier for you, square to the power of 2, cotangent square of x to the power of 2, cosec x to the power of 2 times cosec x, cotangent of x dx. And the cotangent square of x is equal 1 cosec square of x minus 1. It's in the trigonometric identity, so it become cosec square of x minus 1 and to the power of 2, which is this. And the cosec, let's keep it for now, cosec square of x times cosec x times cotangent x dx. So here I can say let u equal cosec of x. So, sorry, my du will be equal minus cosec x cotangent x dx. So cosec x cotangent x dx, but this is equal to minus du. So now I can write my integral. The minus, I will put it outside my integral. Minus, and we said u is equal to cosec. It become u square minus 1 square. And the cosec square is u square, and cosec cotangent x dx become du. And that's easy to resolve now. So let's resolve it. So a minus b square, it's equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is u to the power of 4 minus 2 times a u square times b times 1, which I'm not gonna write, plus 1 square, it is 1, and all that multiplied by u square du. And let's resolve this. It become u to the power of 6 du minus 2 u to the power of 4 du plus u to the power of 2 du. Let's put the integrals since I split it. And the integral of, I'll put minus and I open a big parenthesis. Integral of u to the power of 6 is u to the power of 7 divided by 7 minus 2 u to the power of 5 divided by 5 plus u to the power of 3 divided by 3. And now we have to put back u to its value, which is cosec of x. So minus cosec to the power of 7 divided by 7. Minus times minus is equal plus 2 cosec. No, let's write it the English way. Cosec to the power of 5x divided by 5 plus cosec to the power of 3x divided by 3 plus c. Here it's minus, sorry. Because minus times plus is equal to minus, minus times minus is equal to plus, and minus times plus is equal to minus. And that's the final answer. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me a lot, and it will encourage me to do more videos for you. And if you put a like, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.